As a pet owner, it can be distressing to see your furry friends suffering from digestive issues. Whether it's due to ingesting something toxic or simply overeating. Sometimes the best solution is to make your dog throw up. But how exactly do you do that? In this video, we will explore some effective home remedies for inducing vomiting in dogs, so you can say goodbye to those pesky digestive issues once and for all. One of the easiest ways to make your dog throw up is by using hydrogen peroxide. This common household item is not only safe for dogs when used in small doses, but it can also be an effective emetic. Simply mix 1 teaspoon of hydrogen peroxide with 1 cup of water and administer it to your dog orally using a syringe or turkey baster. Be sure to consult your veterinarian beforehand to determine the appropriate dosage for your dog's size and weight. Another effective method for inducing vomiting in dogs is by using salt, similar to hydrogen peroxide. Salt acts as an irritant to the stomach lining, causing your dog to vomit. To use this method, mix 2 tablespoons of salt with a cup of warm water and stir until the salt dissolves completely. Then, pour the mixture into a syringe or turkey baster and administer it orally to your dog. It's important to note that excessive salt intake can be harmful to dogs, so be sure to consult your veterinarian before attempting this method. If you're looking for a more natural approach, you can try using mustard seeds. Mustard seeds contain emetic properties that can help induce vomiting in dogs. To utilize this method, grind 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds into a fine powder and mix it with a cup of warm water. Once the mixture is well blended, administer it orally to your dog using a syringe or turkey baster. Remember to consult your veterinarian before using this method, as some dogs may have allergies or sensitivities to mustard seeds. In addition to these home remedies, there are a few things you should keep in mind when attempting to make your dog throw up. First and foremost, always consult your veterinarian before administering any home remedies or inducing vomiting in your dog. They will be able to provide guidance based on your dog's specific needs and condition. Additionally, never attempt to induce vomiting in your dog if they have ingested something sharp or potentially harmful, as this can cause further injury. In conclusion, knowing how to make your dog throw up can be a useful skill as a pet owner, especially when it comes to addressing digestive issues. From using hydrogen peroxide and salt to mustard seeds, there are several effective home remedies for inducing vomiting in dogs. However, it's crucial to consult your veterinarian before attempting any of these methods, as they will be able to provide personalized advice and ensure the safety of your furry friend. With the right guidance and care, you can help your dog overcome digestive issues and ensure their overall well-being. If you learned something new today, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe us to be notified for the next video updates.